If you are using your Canva app and you are getting this 503 error, that is server error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. So let me show you how you can go about this on your Canva app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so you are told that if you are experiencing this error, then most likely something isn't working on Canva end. However, you need first to troubleshoot on your end to see if this fixes. To do this, go to settings on your phone. And from settings, look for this option called apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. And from the list, just search for Canva. Tap on it. And the first thing to do is to go to force stop. Okay. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then you want to clear data and then choose clear cache. Okay. And finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and see if this works. However, if you still face the same challenge, then check and then see if we have an update for Canva through Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. However, should this not work, then check and then see if you are using any VPN or any internet proxy app. Turn it off and turn on your data to see if your problem has been fixed. But should this still fail, then most likely Canva might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait and try again after some few minutes. Now you should be able to log into your Canva account. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.